How to fix controller not working in Elden Ring Nightreign on PC. The first step is to confirm controller is fully functional outside the game. For that, check in Windows, press Win plus R, type joy.cpl, press enter. Your controller should appear there. Click on Properties and test the buttons or sticks. Test with Steam Big Picture mode, open Steam, click on View, click on Big Picture mode, go to Settings, then head to Controller Settings. Make sure your controller is recognized and responsive. If not detected here, the problem is system or Steam level. Next step is to disable keyboard or mouse override settings in Steam. Sometimes Steam prioritizes keyboard and mouse input, which prevents controller use. For this, go to Library, right-click on Elden Ring Nightreign, then go to Properties. Under Controller, change Override for Elden Ring to enable Steam input. If that doesn't work, also try disable Steam input and restart the game after each change. Step 3 is to check controller layout IR Steam. Some versions of the game may misread your controller type. In Steam, click on Big Picture mode, go to Library, then Elden Ring. Now select Manage Game, then go to Controller Configuration. Look for custom layout that's active. If one exists, reset to default or try a layout that matches your controller model. Step 4 is to manually configure the controller driver. Some generic gamepads or third-party Xbox PS controllers use X input wrappers or DS4 Windows. For Xbox controller, ensure you're using Microsoft's official driver. Step 5 is to check for multiple controller devices. Some background drivers can confuse the game, so press Win plus X, then go to Device Manager. Expand Human Interface Devices and Sound, Video and Game Controllers. Look for HID compliant game controller, VJoy device, virtual controller. X right-click and disable all non-physical devices. Step 6 is to configure in-game settings. If the game boots in KB plus M mode, it may ignore your controller until it's manually switched. Boot into the game, navigate to Settings, then go to System, then go to Device. For on-screen prompts, manually set it to controller instead of auto, then go to Settings, Key Bindings and confirm if controller bindings are shown. If it still shows keyboard bindings, press buttons on your controller. If nothing updates, proceed to next step. Step 7 is to check for mods or launch options. Some performance or input mods break controller input. Check your game folder for dinput8.dll. Mod files like reshade or input injector. Remove or move them temporarily. Also remove any custom Steam launch options. For this, right-click Game, go to Properties, Launch Options, clear any text. Now, some non-Xbox gamepads default to direct input, which is not always supported by Elden Ring, might be causing conflict. For this, use a wrapper like X360CE. You can download it from www.x360ce.com, place it in the Games folder, run it, detect your controller and save, then restart the game. Now for Step 9, force run game in admin mode. Navigate to Game Directory, right-click eldenring.exe, then go to Properties. Under Compatibility, check Run this program as administrator. Do the same for steam.exe. Sometimes UAC blocks input devices on certain privilege levels. Now for Step 10, try clean boot and launch game without background apps. Some apps like Razer Synapse, Logitech G Hub, NVIDIA Overlay, Discord Overlay, anti-cheat tools can intercept input. For this, press Win plus R, type msconfig, press enter, go to Services tab, check Hide All, then Microsoft Services, click Disable All. Go to Startup tab, click Open Task Manager, disable everything non-essential. Now reboot and try again. And with these steps, you will be able to fix controller not working on Elden Ring Nightreign. And that's it for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.